Hi again, everybody. Welcome back. I am here with Aubrey Baugh from Delphi. We're talking about training. Specifically, we're talking about Garage 360. And Aubrey, explain what Garage 360 really is.
So Garage 360 is our training platform, but it's not just about videos. It's really about the 1-2-3 approach. The first goal is really to make sure that we have a foundation of technical information, knowledge-based articles that technicians and viewers can really use while they're doing any type of diagnostic or any type of installation or having any type of technical issues that they're experiencing in their garages. Number two is really about the two different hosts. We have Sarah and we have Brandon that have great personalities. They're really going to keep the engagement going while people are listening about the different technical tips and the installation guides that we're able to provide. And number three, 3 minutes long. We know that people do not have a high attention span. So we want to be able to give short little bites of technical information and expertise in a 3-minute type video. Now we know that all trainings really can't meet into a 3-minute span, but just like when you're looking at a recipe or you're looking at any type of diagnostic tool, we can offer you different chapters that are 3 minutes long, so you can kind of skip to where you really need the most help and input.
So video training, of course, is not really new.
Right.
What is it about the Garage 360 scope of training that makes your training different for the industry?
So really, you know, everybody's used to the 1-2-3 step. You do this step, then you go to the next step. We want to create content that is engaging, exciting, kind of funny, gives you a good personality, but not too funny where you don't believe in the information that's being given to you. Like I said in the beginning, it's really a foundation of knowledge and technical base. I work a lot with Justin Schaefer and his training team to make sure the information that we're outputting in our videos really makes sense, is actually based in some of the information or queries that he gets through the customer service or the tech hotline that we have here at Delphi. And then also the training team also goes out to interface with a lot of our customers, and some of the insights that we get or some of the questions that we get are help to build the foundation of what type of videos that we're trying to shoot.
What are some of the key themes that that you're working toward creating videos for, or maybe already have videos available for?
So we've done a little bit of diagnostic of, you know, if you hear this clunking sound, you know, it could be this type of issue. Here today, we're doing a lot on steering and suspension. So making sure your ball joints are well greased, understanding where your stabilizer links could have any kind of issues that we experience out in the marketplace. So right now we're steering and suspension. Before we were doing a lot of diagnostics and a little bit on fuel pumps. So
you mentioned the hosts. You also mentioned the pro trainers that you have working together to create that that believable, reliable source. How do you see this moving forward, growing the training programs for the industry?
Yeah, so the starting point, of course, is just the videos, right? So we have a lot of virtual content so that our technicians and our DIFM type of users can get the content wherever they are. But we just don't want to create videos. We want to come in person. We want to host trainings. We want to partner with a lot of our customers to go to their sites to have trainings in person. We want to offer technical online classes so that you can train at your own pace. We have two different versions. One which is train at your own pace, so you kind of just pick your own classes. Then we have another one where there's an actual person that's online training with you so that you can get a better understanding of the different classes that we're offering. So it's really a holistic approach to Garage 360. So, you know, maybe the enticer is really the videos, but then once we've got you, we have a host of knowledge-based articles and training, in-person, virtual. We just want to give everything that we can give around training.
Aubrey, it sounds exciting, intriguing. How can our viewers learn more?
Well, they can learn more at delphiautoparts.com/garage360.
Aubrey Baugh from Delphi, thanks for taking us on a tour of Garage 360.